hope you're all doing well. Today we're at Lions Head Provincial Park. We're going to be going for a nice adventure and seeing some great lookout points. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so we're about 20 minutes into the trail now. The terrain is actually very rocky and choppy. It's quite difficult to navigate through. I know these views are going to make it all worth it. Alright, so looking at my map, we're about to approach one of the first photo attractions. It's called a pothole. Not too sure what it is, but I'm assuming it's going to be like a hole in the ground or a cliff, so let's check it out. You could actually go right in the cave. This is actually really cool. Whoa, now this is sweet. This is awesome. Little hole in the wall. I think that was the last photo attraction until we get to the actual lookout point, so I'll see you guys there. Beautiful. Alright, you might not be able to see it, but that white thing right there is a broken drone on the ground. We're about to launch mine, so let's hope the same thing doesn't happen. Alright guys, great first flight. How crazy is this? My last 3 videos I've just been launching my drone off cliff faces. This one is definitely the biggest and the sketchiest, so you don't want to get too close to the edge, but beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I know there's about like 3 or 4 other lookout points, so we're going to make our way there now. Enjoy.
Let's go. Let's go. People's line up here.
Alright, so it's getting a little later on in the day now. It's around 10:30, 11. All the lookout points are slowly getting packed. We're going to make our way out of here shortly. We're just going to walk to the last one because there's so many and check it out. But alright, looking at Strava here, it looks like we're about to approach the main lookout point. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this beautiful but brief overview of Lions Head Provincial Park. We've got some things to take care of, so we got to hike out of here quick. But if you made it this far, I appreciate you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Until next time.